I start with grinding some peppercorns because we need some fresh pepper. Okay. Voila! Smells good. Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna and today we're going to make something very simple to put together, really delicious and few simple ingredients. So we're gonna need some chicken thighs, tomatoes, garlic, olives, fresh thyme and oregano, and some canned artichokes. That's it pretty much. Salt and pepper and a little bit of olive oil. I need my gloves because I just don't want to touch chicken with my hands. So I have all the ingredients out here and we're just gonna put everything in this baking dish, just like that. Okay, very simple. I have like 6 chicken thighs and that'll be enough for 6 people. Done with that. Boom. And gonna do that, you know, artichokes, olives, let's do the garlic cloves, and I'm not gonna peel because you guys know that I like my garlic cloves with skin on. And we're just gonna toss it like that because they are the best when you cook them in their skin. I actually never thought of doing that till I watched one of my favorite chefs, Jose Andres, during the Corona. You know what? I'm just gonna cut that tomatoes a little bit. So, and then I started using the whole garlic cloves, and they were fantastic. Those tomatoes are perfect because I just picked them at the farm this morning. There you go. And so we're gonna season with salt generously and pepper, and there's a little bit of olive oil. Usually I would not add any other ingredients, just there's olive oil. But just because I have those beautiful peppers and zucchini, I'm just gonna add them, right? Why not? There you go. So everything just goes in one dish. So we just have to make sure that they are coated well with all the seasonings that we have, like salt, pepper, olive oil, and the fresh herbs that I'm gonna be using. Let's do all of them. So I wanted to thank you everybody for supporting my channel and watching the videos and liking and writing all the comments. And whoever's watching it for the first time, I would love to ask you to subscribe to my channel because that helps me to create more recipes, and which I love to do and share with you guys. And if you're enjoying that, so you can share among your friends and invite them. Okay, and the last thing is fresh oregano. There you go. Just like that. Just break it, break it, break it. And fresh thyme. Just gonna do like that. There you go. And I have to mix this now. I think the baking dish is a little small, but oops, but it's gonna create all these beautiful juices, and I'll be really good with pasta or with rice or even with a little bit of bread if you guys want that. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? Okay, now that we have everything together, I'm gonna put it in the oven, and I preheated my oven on 400 degrees. Alright, I'm gonna set up the timer on 40 minutes and then I'll check. Just because I put so much veggies and it's quite deep, it might take longer. So 40 minutes later, I'll just check and maybe like kind of stir and mix again, and just, you know, if it needs more time, I'm just gonna add more time. Okay, 40 minutes 400 degrees later. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Should be ready. You know, that's why I like high temperature, that it just, you know, fast makes it faster. Let me just check that. Of course. So we just need the chicken is cooked, fully cooked inside. That's all we need. Because I'm pretty sure that zucchini is nice. That's awesome. And tomatoes nice and soft. Let's see, the garlic is squishy. Squishy. It's good. It should be good. Like, if I put that on the bigger baking dish, that would help the veggies and chicken to caramelize and roast more. Now I have a lot of juice, but this is all good. This is all good flavor, so it's kind of like casserole right now. And at the end, we're just gonna garnish it with fresh thymes and fresh oregano, and this is it pretty much, you know. I love this dish because, you know, when you have guests, like, you can put everything together. You can even just prep this and put it in the fridge and right before they come, so you can just put it in the oven, you can talk, have a glass of wine. Ignore this. I splashed beets because I cooked beets and then I peeled while I was waiting for that, and then I tried to wash it, so but just ignore. Alright, this is pretty much ready. Chicken is cooked, so I'm just gonna, you know, taste it and see if it needs anything. I don't think it needs anything because I salted it pretty well. We'll just, you know, take some beautiful pictures, and pretty much we're done, guys, okay? So you can, as I said in the beginning, you can serve it with rice, with pasta, with quinoa, or, you know, just the way it is. I think that's it for today. So I'm gonna taste it. I actually love the combination. Why I like this dish is that zucchini, not zucchini, olives and artichokes, canned artichokes, and thyme and garlic give such a beautiful flavor. It's such a good combination, and tomatoes too. So if you have any other veggies in summer, you can always add that. I would not recommend to asparagus because then it's going to be overcooked, but other than that, you're pretty good. All right, I'm going to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.